All right, it's our final day here at Silver Dollar City. So yeah, the day started off, I was actually able to get special permission and I got a POV of Time Traveler, so that was pretty awesome. And then they took me down to the Mystic River Falls and let me shoot a POV on that as well. So that was really awesome. Thank you, Silver Dollar City. You've been amazing.
There you go, Daddy. I think you're going to be the first one that gets splashed. Yeah.
I didn't really get that wet.
There, Daddy. Oh, man. This is gorgeous.
Oh.
It's Daddy. It's Dad, now it's us. It's our turn. It was our turn. Now they're gonna get it.
You can see we're about to go up an elevator. I got soaked.
It was raining. It was raining.
And so yeah, our day's just starting, and after that, I guess our first roller coaster ride was Wildfire, and now I'm not really sure what we're gonna do. We're just kind of walking around and checking all the things that we might have missed on Sunday. Park seems a lot busier than it was on Sunday. Well, okay, I wouldn't say a lot busier, but it's definitely a little bit more busier. A couple of roller coasters have longer lines, but again, we're not really talking like huge lines here. I think Time Traveler probably has like a half an hour wait, which it really isn't that bad. Powder Keg, they're only running one train, and that wait probably looks like it's 45 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, I really don't know. Outlaw Run was pretty much about a train wait so far, so that's pretty good. We're still just hanging out. The kids are actually in this train section. I'll go ahead and show it to you. It's this like indoor play area where you get to kind of like push these little like train things around. But yeah, the kids really love it. Leander's just running around without the train. As we can see here, Silver Dollar City is working on a new event building for a new attraction. Not really sure what it is, but it looks like it could be something pretty exciting. It's a decent sized building, but I guess we'll have to just wait until maybe later this year or possibly next year, so we'll see what it is. Silver Dollar City has this interesting play area. Like, you can shoot a bunch of these like rubber balls around. All right, well, our day is almost over here. We're gonna have our final ride on Time Traveler, and then I guess we're just gonna call it quits for the day. Yeah, it's a really hot day. I think we pretty much got everything we wanted to do, and then we obviously have 13 hours driving home, so I guess the more hours we can get on the road today, the better, so it won't be as long of a day tomorrow. But overall, a great day here at Silver Dollar City. I'll have more to say before here when we leave the park. Well, because no one was in the station, we're gonna ride Time Traveler for the second time. I'm gonna go for the back row once again because it's the best. Well, that's going to wrap up our Silver Dollar City trip. Overall, I think it was a pretty good trip. I mean, it was really hot out, but I mean, it's the Midwest. What do you expect? It's been like 100 degrees, but we had a really fun time. It's a nice park. I don't know. I'm trying to think of all the words I want to say here, but yeah, it's a fun park. The roller coasters are great. Every roller coaster is pretty much unique, which is, I really like that. They all have something quirky about them. Either it's like built, almost all of them use a landscape, which is awesome, especially like Time Traveler, Outlaw Run, and even Wildfire. And, you know, I guess, yeah, even Powder Keg. Yeah, they're just really interesting roller coasters. Some you just really can't find anywhere else out here, especially in the United States. So, fantastic collection, just a great time, and yeah, hope to be back here sometime soon. It was a fun time, and that's gonna do it.